limb up the breadfruit tree this morning. And we have the apple tree for do. The ackee tree for do. I want pear tree around this, but I don't think I'm going to do everything today. So I'll take time and do what we can do. You see it? Liquor. Much respect. Happy Father's Day to all the fathers of the world. Although every day is Father's Day, man. Alright. Limbs off. I really see screen so good neither. I don't know. You see me? Still up in that tree. Yeah, man. Still try and do the best you can, you know. See the elder on Father's Day. The next elder they always up on Father's Day, see me. I don't know. Yeah. Big up Andre, you see it? See man? You see it? Yeah man. Up there, you know, cleaning up process now. Alright, so with that now, I just got out this top of the apple tree today. You know. Here we go. Limb off. Take off the top limb, you know. See General. See next General. Yeah man. So do it man, right now not a bear so. Yeah man. Alright, tree top cut out. Tree top limb up. Alright, that's the work for today. Yeah my people. Yeah man. Don't know. Let's do something for me now. Like, comment, share and subscribe. You understand? And if you want to see it again, play it again. Big up on yourself. Bless up.